Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can color grade using LUTs on CapCut PC. So select your video and you're just going to download LUTs on any website that you prefer. Shutterstock has like a really good one. So you're just going to search throughout LUTs that you want and just download the file. If you go to adjustments and go to LUT, which is the very bottom tab, you'll see that they support these file formats in cube and like 3DL. Select import, and I'm just going to go to LUTs and I'm just going to select the ones that I have. Press enter and wait for the materials to import. And once you're done, you're just going to select the LUT that you want to use. I actually like this one. Let's see. Okay, I'm just going to add this one and then just add to track. And here you can adjust the strength of your LUT. You can also like color grade again here to maybe like balance out the colors. You can adjust the saturation and like the brightness and the contrast as well here. The highlight, and you can just adjust it here. Maybe you want to add in a bit of orange. Just adjust it to your liking, honestly. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!